So many reviews na ang na-put out there and everybody's saying the same thing. Meron siyang UV light para ma-kill yung mga germs sa kama, sa unan, especially kahit anong vacuum mo, pwede naman dito at sa vacuum stand. Parang ang sketchy, ano to, masisira ba to agad? Hey guys, it's me, Christine, and welcome back to another vlog. A few months ago, actually half a year ago na yon, I uploaded a video ng Deerma DX700 versus DX810 because that time, kaka-release lang nila ng DX810 and I'm one of the few ones who got it first. So I got to try it and then sakto may DX700 dun sa kabilang house. Hinihiram pa lang naman siya back then. So I was able to do a side-by-side comparison. Suction, yung noise niya, and everything else. So, tinry natin mag-vacuum ng iba-ibang elements dyan. So, panoorin nyo na lang para malaman nyo kung ano yung results and I'm gonna link that video down below. Anyway, I'm sure you clicked this video because you want to know more about the newest Deerma DX700 and is it really wise pa rin to choose the Deerma DX700 over all the other vacuum cleaners out there ngayong 2022. Like, a few years ago na nang nilaunch siya, why is it still Deerma's bestseller and why are people still buying it? Kahit na ang dami nang lumabas na bagong vacuum ni Deerma, so many vacuum brands out there na affordable din naman, halos the same price, but why are people still choosing DX700? So, if you are here because you're looking for a sign para i-check out mo na yung DX700 na ang tagal-tagal na nag-wait sa cart mo, baka it's time na talaga to check it out, lalo na ngayong Shopee 6.6 sale. Let's start with a quick unboxing or what's in the box. Here you go.
Can't keep doing this. I woke up with this pain in my neck. Had no medicine to keep me in check. You know exactly what to say to keep me wrapped up in your jeans while I'm here.
What to love about DX700? Kasi people have been, buying it. People have been raving about it. It has been a favorite actually sa home buddies, lalo na nung bago pa siya. Parang hindi naman siya naluluma kasi palagi pa rin may bumibili at bumibili sa kanya. So, for me, number one is yung look niya. I love its design and its functionality na rin. So, it's very aesthetic. Pasado siya dun sa mga nag-aim ng aesthetic, minimalist, Korean na home. Yan, kasi sa mga K-drama, lagi nating nakikita nagva-vacuum sila, diba? This one is a really great pop of color. It's white and red. It's the reason why ito rin yung outfit natin in today's vlog. White shirt and a pop of color. Yan, red lipstick. Number two is its strong suction. I love that strong yung suction niya kasi pag hindi strong yung suction, ang tendency is ulit-ulit, binabalik-balikan mo yung surface na madumi. But dahil strong yung suction niya, isang daan mo lang, nakukuha niya na lahat. And ginagamit ko to guys sa floor, sa couch, pinagtatanggal ko rin to ng agyo, pinaglilinis ko rin to ng screen, pwede din to sa car, pwede din siya sa chairs. So, initially, ginagamitan ko nito, and then, after that, ginagamitan ko naman nito. So, yan, isingit ko lang na ito talaga yung pang chairs, couch, and beds kasi dust mite vacuum to. Usually, yung mga pillows and mga upuan, mga beds, yan, meron silang dust mites. Kaya minsan nangangati ka or lagi ka nagsisneeze, so very important na makuha yung mga yon. So, initially, pinagtatanggal ko lang to ng dumi, and then, eto naman, para makuha yung mga dust mites. And then, meron din tong UV light. So, pag naka-on to, magto-turn to ng blue. Meron siyang UV light para ma-kill yung mga germs sa kama, sa unan, especially. And then, nagva-vibrate siya. Ito yung pang-vibrate niya. Nagva-vibrate to para mag-resurface yung mga alikabok na nasa ilalim na, mag-resurface yan and then makuha niya. Number 3 is its affordability. It's affordable but not to the point na sobrang mura na parang ang sketchy, masisira ba to agad? Or may kulang ba dito? Nakaka-suction ba talaga to ng maayos? So, its price point is very reasonable lang. Hindi siya sobrang mura na parang ang sketchy, and hindi rin siya sobrang mahal na parang, bibili pa ba talaga ako ng vacuum? Kailangan ko ba talaga to? Or sige na nga, wag na lang yan. I'm just gonna look for a cheaper version kahit hindi ganyan kaganda. So, there's no need na to compromise like that. And, of course, I saved the best for last. Our fourth and last reason is it is tried and tested, and everyone who has tried and tested it loved it. So many reviews na ang na-put out there, and everybody is saying the same thing. They love it, it is good, it does its job well, ang aesthetic, ang ganda, worth the price, best purchase ever, and all those things. Kasi papadaliin na talaga yung buhay mo, guys. Ngayon kapag winawalis, yung umiikot lang, also the alikabok, parang umiikot lang, to makikita mo, kitang-kita mo talaga nakukuha niya yung mga alikabok, yung mga liit-liit. Sobrang dali na lang ng life ko, guys. After ko mag-vacuum, nagwa-water spray mop lang ako. It's also from Deerma. Ayan, eto siya. It's my water spray mop. Puti rin siya. So, yan, pang team puti. So, ito, lalagay mo lang to ng water. Sometimes, plain water lang nilalagay ko. Sometimes with Fabcon or with dishwashing liquid or kung anumang cleaning agent yung gusto mong ilagay dyan. And then, ito siya. Dito lalabas yung water. So, hindi mo na kailangang maglabas ng isang bucket and then yung mop na malaki. So, ito na siya. Ito na yung pang mop niya. This one, guys, is yan, velcro siya. Dinidikit dito. Pwede kang bumili ng mga extra na ganito para hindi ka banlaw ng banlaw. Kunwari, malaki yung floor area mo. Ako kasi nakakaisang banlaw, isa or dalawang banlaw pa ako. Kasi pag madumi na to, babanlawan ko siya. But pag bumili ka ng mga extra like this, pwedeng matapos mo na yung pagmamop mo nang hindi ka nagbabanlaw. Pinapalitan mo lang yung nakadikit. And then after, sabay-sabay mo na lang silang babanlawan, diba? Very, very helpful sa aking life yung mga Deerma products na to. And another highly recommended ko pala is, eto, hindi na to kay Deerma. Ito, kahit anong vacuum mo, pwede naman dito. It's a vacuum stand para hindi mo na binabalik-balik sa box or para hindi lang din siya nakahiga sa floor. Meron din tong white. Ililink ko na lang din to down below. Very affordable lang to. If I'm not mistaken, this is below 400 pesos only. Another thing that I highly, highly recommend pala, guys, is if you are using Deerma vacuum, kahit anong unit pa yan or model, bilan nyo siya ng extra or pangpalit na HEPA filter. I think every 3 to 6 months, kailangan pinapalitan yon. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this one. And sana enough na yun to convince you to check out yung matagal na naghihintay na DX700 sa iyong cart. Lalo na ngayong upcoming na 6.6 sale. Syempre, marami yung discounts and free shipping. Promote ko na rin yung mga iba ko pang Shopee recommendations. I'm gonna link down below yung Shopee collections ko. It's just one link with all of my Shopee recommendations, be it fashion, tech, paglilinis, pangbata, pang beauty, skincare, name it. Everything is there. So yeah, see you in my next one. Bye!